Hey, I just wanted to add one other note to this. So we can quickly take this from a smooth morphing patch to one of those more Wavestate rhythm-based things. It's just really quick. I just wanted to share that. So Shift and this button under timing, tempo, turns on tempo match. Now this might vary for some of the patterns because the tap tempo might be different, but right here, instantly we've done this. And you can use that and play along with a drum beat or something, and it'll be that more beat-based Wavestate sound. So that's a quick way you can take that into a different style.